Alright, welcome to another video of Math Hero, and today we will talk about subtraction of integers. Now, doing subtraction of integers, you will really need to go back and review the rules in adding integers because it would be very useful in this topic. Alright, so let's go ahead and I will give you the rules, and then I will give you an example, and then we will solve together. Okay? So let us begin. So in doing subtraction of integers, the first thing that you will need to consider is the signs at the middle part of the equation. So for example, if I have positive 2 and that would be minus, and then I have here negative 3. So the sign that you will need to consider or to look for are the two signs in the middle. Okay, so here we have minus minus. Let's have another. How about positive 2 minus positive 3? So we have minus plus. Okay, that is really important because our rules is actually dependent on how or what is the combination of the two symbols. Okay, so let's go to the rules now. So first rule is this: if you have minus minus here, if you have 2 minus, so this that would be minus negative, you can change it to positive positive. So regarding considering this equation, so it would be positive 2 minus negative 3. So we will need to change this to plus plus since it has minus minus. So it would become positive 2 plus positive 3. So from minus minus we change it to plus plus. Okay. Second rule: if it would be minus plus, change it to plus minus. Again, if it would be minus plus, change it to plus minus. So for example, here we have positive 2 minus positive 3. We will need to change the center signs, two signs, from plus minus to from minus plus to plus minus. So change it to plus, then positive 2 plus negative 3. So this is your equation now. This is for number 1. So why are we doing this? We are doing this because the goal is to change the subtraction to addition. So if you have already changed it to addition, then you can use the rules of addition to find the answer. Okay? So the first step is change it to addition, and then if you already change it, proceed with the steps in adding integers. Now again, the rule is if it is minus minus, you need to go to plus plus. If it is minus plus, you will need to interchange the two symbol, and then you will need to write plus minus. So you will have this. Okay? So let's go ahead and proceed with the example. So for example here, proceed with the example. So let's have negative 2 minus negative 3. So how do we find the answer? So we will look for two symbol. So this is minus minus, so we can change it to plus plus. So this will become negative 2 plus positive 3. This is equal to, and then we can proceed to addition, and this one has a different sign. So So, as we learned, we will need to subtract. So, 3 minus 2, 1. And then we will use the sign of the bigger number. So, and the answer is positive 1. Okay? Nasabtan ra? Sige, padayon ta. So, we have negative 5 here, or shall we say positive 5. Then, we'll subtract it with negative 4. What would be the answer? So, first step, since it has minus minus, then change it to plus plus, plus positive 4. And then, what's the answer? So, it has the same sign, and by the rules of addition, we will need to add. So, 5 plus 4, 9, and then we'll use the sign. So, number 3. How about positive 7 minus positive 8? What's the answer? Okay, so look for the sign. And then, this is minus plus, change it to plus minus. So this would become positive 7 plus negative 8. So what would be the answer? So, different symbol. That means we will need to subtract 8 minus 7, that is 1. And then, the bigger number is 8. So we will need to use the sign of 8, which is negative. So our answer is 1. Okay. Last example, and we will write it in here. So number 4. So shall we say negative 8 minus, shall we say positive 10. So what would be the answer? So negative 8 minus positive 10. Look for the center symbols, center sign. So this would become positive negative 10. Why? Because of this rule. Okay? Can we add? Yes, we can. So we have two negative numbers. So the same sign. We will need to add them. So this would become 18. And then use the sign. So that would be our answer. Okay? So what we have learned today. First is we will need to follow the rules so that you can get the correct answer. Now, doing subtraction of integers is just easy. You will just need to change it or convert it to addition. And then, after that, you can follow the steps in adding integers to get your sum or to get the answer. Alright? So that is our lesson for this week. See you guys in our next video. Alright, so stay awesome and be a math hero. Goodbye.